To send an email when the recipient is likely to open it. Schedule it accordingly. In this video, I will demonstrate a step-by-step guide on scheduling emails in Outlook. Entire process takes place within the Outlook desktop application. Step 1. Write a new email in Outlook. Log into your Outlook account. Click on the New Email button and write your email like you usually do. Filling in the subject line, email body and recipients. Step 2. Access the Delay Delivery feature. Once you have written your email, you need to access the Delay Delivery features to schedule your email to be sent at a later time. Click on the Options button from the header menu and select Delay Delivery to schedule your email. Step 3. Set delivery date and time. Upon clicking Delay Delivery, you will see a pop-up window on your screen. Find the delivery option, selection and mark the Do Not Delivery before checkbox. Step 4. Send. After choosing the perfect date and time to send your email, close the pop-up window and hit on the Send button to schedule your email in the Outlook. Once you hit the Send button, your email will be saved in the Outbox folder and it will be automatically sent based on the set date and time. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.